Welcome. Today I'm showing how to link or unlink Google Assistant option from power key into a MOTOROLA Moto G22. First of all, open your settings, then scroll down and find system option. Here go into gangsters and now choose press and hold power button. And here we got option hold for assistant. So this position like gray, it's turn off this option, and this like blue, it's activate this option. So let's try. Press and hold our power key, and how you can see, we activate our Hey Google option, and that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.